Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm working on a tire. As you can see, they had a little bit of a blowout, and they wanted to know if I could get the old tire off the rim. I was a little worried because it looks like they rode this for quite some time on the road, and it did not come off the rim. Usually this stuff just explodes. So this is going to be kind of a challenge for myself to see. I've never done anything quite like this, to see if the old Harbor Freight tire changer can remove this tire, what's left of it, off this rim. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, gee. There was no effort in that at all. This wasn't a big problem at all. See how it comes off on the backside. This is usually the harder one. Holy cow, that just fell off. Yeah, no problem. Wasn't a big problem at all. Well, we're still going to publish it. Well, that wasn't much of a challenge. That came off a lot easier than I thought. I would assume that would have been on there a lot harder than that, because it would have just blown off the rim when it had a flat. But as you can see, it kind of came right off. And well, there you go. Not much, not much to brag about, other than the old Harbor Freight tire changer is still working good. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time. She's pooched.